next forward are generators. So we have seen iterators. Now we can see also generators. So here we can generate with this keyword, we can generate data with this keyword. It's called yield. If you use this yield here, each data of this index here, we just use some sugar syntax into reverse. Here you can reverse with this kind of looping, with this kind of entries in the range function. It's like -1, minus step 1 from the other side. And here you can yield each data, you can yield data of index. For example, we just change actually the order. You give it data and data of let's say the last one, they would say, okay, they will yield that data of that index. So index would start, let's say here at whatever -3, and it will well, not -3, but 4. The index will be 3. Sorry, it will be 3, and the data we will return actually the data of 3, and would be f, for example. And here we can print to flog. And here each time it's like we generate we create this generator. It's a function, and we give just one value, and each time we go into the generator, he will give us one value. So this yield actually, it's yielding just one value. This is the most important instruction in having a generator.